In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails in HubSpot CRM. If you've ever wanted your message to land at the perfect time, say first thing Monday morning or right before a webinar, scheduling is the way to go. So make sure you're signed into your HubSpot account and have access to the marketing email tool. We'll start inside HubSpot and move directly through the built-in options so you can set a send time with confidence. First, open the user guide area within your HubSpot portal. This is a handy starting point because it brings together the tools you need in one place. From there, select Email to enter HubSpot's email marketing workspace. Next, choose Create Email. This opens the composer where you'll decide what kind of email you're sending. Select Regular. A regular email is a one-time send to a list or segment, ideal for newsletters, announcements, or promotions that aren't triggered by automation. When the template options appear, pick Start from Scratch. This loads the drag and drop editor so you can build exactly what you want. Add your subject line and preview text, then craft the body using the modules on the page. Keep your content concise, mobile friendly, and aligned with a single clear goal like driving traffic to a page or prompting a reply. Once your content looks good, turn your attention to the controls on the left panel and click the Schedule button. This is where you decide whether the email goes out immediately or at a later time. Choose Schedule for later. You'll see date and time selectors. Use these to pinpoint when the email should be delivered. Double check your time zone in your HubSpot settings so the schedule reflects exactly when your recipients should receive it. A quick tip: consider your audience's local time and typical engagement windows. For many industries, midweek mornings perform well, but choose what best matches your contact's behavior. Before you finalize the schedule, take a moment to review the essentials: the from name and address, the subject line, any personalization tokens, and the recipient list. A brief scan now helps avoid last-minute surprises. If something needs adjustment, you can still edit your content and then return to the schedule screen. After you've set the date and time, your email will be queued to go out automatically. If plans change, revisit the same email in your email tool to adjust the schedule or make edits before the send time arrives. That's it. Your email is created and scheduled in HubSpot CRM. By following these steps, you'll send the right message at the right moment, without having to be at your desk when it goes live.